What's going on, guys? Scaled Back Sydney Fishing here with another episode on the kayak in Sydney Harbour. We've got another cold and wet day here today in Sydney, which pretty much sums up this winter. But we're about an hour off high tide, so I just thought I'd get out there and see if there's anything big lurking around. As you guys know, if you're not out there trying, you're never going to catch anything. So let's see what we can get. Feels like a muddy prawn kind of day today, so I'm going to start off with muddy prawn on both sides. That is the Atomic Hards 85mm double deep diver on one side, and on the other side we've got the slightly smaller 75mm version, also double deep diver, and also the muddy prawn. So let's see how we go. Oh, we're on here. It's a nice fish. What have we got here? I think it's just a flatty, but we're not far off high tide. Hit it hard, whatever it is. Oh yes, I think it's a good flatty. Oh no, we've got colour. It's not the brim. Completely foul hooked him. There we go, we've got a little rainy Sydney River brim there, close to 30 centimetres. First fish of the day. Let's let him go. Oh yeah, we're on right as, oh yeah. Did it hold? Right as Maritime's gone past. Hit by something, I don't think it's stuck. No, unlucky. Felt solid too. Damn, might have been a dewy. Might just scoot back past there, have a look. Past the same area. Lightning rarely strikes twice. Oh, there it is. Same spot, and we got him. Went back over, and this time he's hooked on. Shaking around. It's not a flatty. Feels like a good fish. Oh, it's a chewy. Wow, a little soapy. Come here, bud. He's scuffed the muddy prawn. Well, yeah, I think that's what hit it before. Pretty much right on high tide now. Not the biggest. What a beautiful fish. Sydney Harbour soapy, guys. On the muddy prawn, he's absolutely gobbled it. The lure's done a bit of damage to him there. I'm not sure he's going to swim off. So we're going to let him go without getting a measure on him. He'd be sort of late 50s, early 60s. He's gone. But yeah, a bit of blood. Lightning rarely strikes twice when you get hit in one spot and then go back around, but there's an instance of where it paid off. So I've just had a lunch break here, and as you can see, the weather hasn't slowed up. Tide started to run out, so I'm just going to switch up the 85 muddy prawn there for the 75 grey assassin. We'll see how we go with that one. We'll head back down the river towards the bay. Oh, what do we got here? Salmon? Oh! We're on here. Right where that bus stop was, but don't think it's a salmon. Decent flatty. This reel's waterlogged again. Just a little flatty. That is the first flatty of the day. Pushing 40 centimeters, no more. But yeah, hit it pretty hard. I thought he was bigger than that. We'll let him go. Ooh. And he's off. Oh, blue sky. I forgot what that looks like. Oh yeah, it's a fish. Not a very big one. Little flatty skimmer. Ew. Small flatty there. A little baby flatty. Off he goes. Oi! We're on here. Oh, solid fish. Look out for this boat. Oh. Little flatty. Good to see plenty of them around still. There he goes. Well guys, I think that's all for today. Relatively short session for obvious reasons. I don't want to catch pneumonia out here. It's good to see there's still plenty of fish around considering it's the middle of August. With only a couple of weeks left until it hopefully starts to warm up again. We'll get back out here soon. Thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.